In this video, we are going to go over resetting thermal overloads for STD-style heaters. Before commencing any work on electric heated air curtains, it is mandatory to turn the power off and adhere strictly to all local safety codes. The standard and HV series air curtains are equipped with manual thermal overloads for each heating coil. These overloads are a crucial safety feature designed to automatically shut the heat off in the event of overheating. If an overload is tripped, the unit's control system will still attempt to call for heat, meaning the heater contactor will energize, but the actual heat output will be disabled. To quickly diagnose a tripped overload, you should use a multimeter to check for continuity directly at the heater terminals. Check the continuity across the two leads on both poles. If the multimeter indicates no continuity, the thermal overload for that specific coil has tripped and needs to be manually reset. To reset the device, simply locate and push the small brass pin. Newer style heaters might have red push button at the center of the overload. After resetting, it is essential to recheck for continuity on both poles to confirm that the overload is now functioning correctly. This reset procedure must be performed on the thermal overloads for all coils within the air curtain. Once you have successfully checked and reset all the necessary thermal overloads, the heating system should be restored.